My wife was really into the windows. We were really pleased when we seen them. I would highly recommend F&L Doors to anybody. Really satisfied all the way around. Never forced me to buy anything. I was very impressed with that because I was like a little against doing it at first. For what I paid for it, they beat them pretty good. They were cheaper, and I think I got better quality out of it. I was gone the whole day and back, the doors were done already. They piled everything nice. They didn't throw stuff. They put everything in an organized way. It was a whole different look to my house. F&L Doors is the place to go.